Here are the steps to make your projector and computer a wireless connection. This works for connecting it to see the visual and for the sound. So if your cord that plugs into the sound is broken, this is what you're going to want to do. So step one, open up the application catalog. It's kind of a weird, you have to search for it once you hit start, and it'll look like it's a blocked website, but you just hit continue, and then you can search for Easy NP Network Projection and hit download. Kind of looks like this little icon. It'll take a little bit for it to download, so that's why it's step one. So while that's downloading, go ahead and turn on your projector, and on your remote, you're going to want to hit LAN. If you don't have your remote, you might want to borrow one from a friend. You'll want it on LAN every time you come in to connect wirelessly. Once you hit LAN, the screen's going to turn blue and your IP address will pop up, kind of like this. You're going to want to write that number down, including the periods. You can kind of look at the projector name, but otherwise not really important. But this is the mode it should be on every morning when you come and want to connect. You also want to make sure your projector is in the PC interactive mode. You can change that on the side of your screen or by clicking on the pen mode on your remote. If you're changing it on the board, here's what it looks like. When this little toolbar comes up where my box is yellow and it looks like a computer and a mouse, that's the PC interactive mode. You're going to be able to control your computer just by touching the screen. If you don't want to be able to control your computer, this is probably not the option for you. I'd just get a regular cord without the audio. Once it's downloaded, you can actually open the program. Now this is going to be quick, so if you want, pause the video as you go to follow these steps. So you're going to open the program just like you would PowerPoint, Word, etc. Go to your start menu, again search for network, projection, find this icon, open it up. I like to right click and pin it to my taskbar. Here's how it works. You're only going to have to do steps 5, 6, and 7, I think, just this first time. So I always have advanced connection mode because I'm going to do it myself. There's no quick way. You have to follow these steps. And then check this little box so this doesn't come up again. Your firewall, do not disable this. You can still do it, but you're not going to do a wireless search. You're going to type in that IP address. So when it comes up like this, hit no. It's going to automatically try and find a projector, but since you hit no for the firewall, it won't be able to find it. Plus, if you did hit yes, it may find every projector in the building. Not super easy. Go ahead and click OK. Now here's the part you're going to have to do for every projector that you want to add. We're going to hit manual search. This is where you're going to need that IP address. So this box will come up, and this is where you type in your IP address exactly as it wrote down, or how it still appears on your screen. Because remember, you hit LAN first, including the periods. It'll search for a few seconds, then it should pop up on a list. If it says no projector is found, then you had a typo and you need to go back and repeat your manual search. So here's what it looks like. I'm going to make sure it's blue and have the box checked. Sometimes it's finicky if not both are done. Before I hit connect, I'm actually going to save this so I can always come back to it. So I'm going to find save in profile, and you can name it. I named mine 142 for this room. I have team room saved. If you move about, this would probably be a good step. Plus, you don't have to manually search it every time and type in that IP address. If you skip this step, you're going to have to do the manual search every time you want to connect. Now, once you've saved it, it'll still show, so make sure it's blue and checked. Now you can hit connect towards the bottom right. This should take control of your computer, and your computer, whatever's up, will pop up. Now, it's just what's displayed. There's no extend mode on this one. So if you like to drag your things to the projector, again, not the mode for you. So you can minimize this. If you exit out, it's going to disconnect you. But here, everything's projected. Stop, okay, play, pause. So stopping the projection, going blank, pausing, freezing, whatever it's on. I think this little button here actually displays some of the graphs. I forget what this one does, and some of your tools. You can actually record what you're teaching, and that would be kind of cool to record it and then post it to your Google Classroom or something with the assignments so kids could come back to it. Again, if you ever want to disconnect at the end of the day, go ahead and hit disconnect. Now, once you disconnect, reconnecting. Each morning, again, have it on LAN. Here are the similar steps. Open the program, the network, projection. You can typically just type in projection or network to find it. Click on the profiles. Again, you're going to find yours. I named mine 132. Make it blue in the box checked. And hit connect. Then again, it should all pop up. Good luck!